So friends, it is that time of the year that we have to mow our yards now. It is springtime, as you can see around me, that the grass has overgrown, so it is time for me to make it clean and tied again. So I have not used this mower for some time, since last year. This is the first time that I'm going to try it out. So I checked in that there is no fuel in the tank, and lucky enough I had some reserved fuel that I had from last year, and so I want to see how it is going to work out. So let's try to fill up the tank and see if the machine is going to cooperate and work for us. So okay, so apparently I had reserved quite enough fuel. I think that I will do a number of mows before I could go out and get more fuel, which is quite very good. So as you can see, I'm using the plastic here because the original cover got lost. I don't know how. So for now I think this is doing the trick for me. And yeah, okay, so the tank is full to the top, and yeah, so this is a rechargeable mower which has a kickstart here, but I don't think that I have charged it, so I will just have to do the manual one and see how it will work out, right? So let me try it now and see if it will cooperate and do the magic. So fingers crossed for now. Okay, no ways. No. Oh. Oh. Yeah. So let me try it from here. So I'll put this here. So let's try to kick it from here. Here we are. Oh. Let's try it for the second time, huh? Guys, help me comment in the comment section. What should I do to have this machine do the trick? Let me rest a little bit. This is too much work, guys. Yeah. You know, as you age, things don't become the same. Things also change, right? So even a little bit tiny, you know, manual work would make you tired, right? So here we are. Let's try again. Yeah. Why? Let's try again. So I have enough oil in here? Yes. Okay. I checked the oil is okay, and everything seems to.
Starting now?
Yeah, no.
Being an arsehole.
I don't know why. I've been trying it, but
Why, what's it doing? Just start and then stop?
yes. I don't know why, but
Was there fresh gas in it from
yes,
last year?
yes, no, yeah.
Yeah, that's fresh gas.
Yes, I had it in the container, so that's all right. But
Oh no, that's a little bit of stale stuff mixed
yeah,
in too. Might need a quick carb clean.
maybe. Wow.
That's what it seems like.
Yeah, that would be now another job. So maybe.
And this is the first time you had it running this year?
Yeah.
Yeah, I probably need a quick carb clean, I bet.
Okay.
Because if it's not doing anything, then
Yeah, it starts, then it cuts.
that's doing nothing, eh?
No, nothing. Oh, there we are. That's what it
Carb
does.
clean.
Yeah, so you need to clean the carb, right?
Yep, carb clean.
Okay. Yeah,
Yep. On there?
maybe.
Maybe it's the filter.
Yeah, okay.
Nope.
No,
Nothing.
nothing. Oh,
Carb clean.
yeah, okay. I'll try the old one then and see.
That's not that bad to do a carb clean though.
Okay. So what is involved to do that?
Oh, so. What's involved with what? The carb clean?
Yes.
Not all that much, actually.
Okay. Could you find some time in the week and do it maybe?
Well, luckily enough, I'm off all this week now.
Oh, okay. So, okay.
So I'm pretty well free until Wednesday.
Okay. So, could we do it tomorrow or Tuesday? Which one works out good for you? I'm okay with all the days.
What works best for you?
Maybe we can do it tomorrow. Yeah, we can do it tomorrow.
Yeah, I can do it that day.
Okay. What time tomorrow? You know?
Oh, whenever.
Okay.
Whenever.
So,
like I said, I'm free, so.
If we make it 10 o'clock, would that be okay?
Yeah.
Before I get to do my office work, so, okay. Okay, that's fine. I'll drive this in, then try get the old one and see if it works out.
Oh. Sucks getting old.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sucks getting old. I'm 40 years old and my back.
Oh, yeah. Things are no longer.
Nice.
So, can I walk in there or you walk here tomorrow at 10 o'clock?
It doesn't matter. If you
Okay.
want to come down where my truck is?
Yes,
knock
I
on
will
the door,
tomorrow. That's fine.
I'm normally awake at 5:15 every morning.
Okay,
so.
that's fine. So, tomorrow I'll come over.
Yeah, I just got to find my carb cleaner stuff for that.
Yes. Okay.
I'll
Thanks.
get her done for you.
Please, thank you for coming out.
Oh, no problem.
Okay. So, guys, because I am so obsessed to make sure that I clean the yard, it doesn't look good at all. So, my cards are not done. I still have my cards on the table, so I had to go and get this ugly. I have to go and get this ugly machine, but she does the job perfectly, right? So this is our first machine that was given to us when we came to Canada. Before that one was, so she's been running pretty well. Very faithful girl, and We'll see how she's going to do the job, if she's going to start or not. I'm not too sure if she still has some fuel left in it, but I have to check and see if she has fuel. And if she doesn't have, then I have to fuel in and see. So the deal for that one is that we have to work on it. As you all saw, the gentleman who is my good neighbor here, he sometimes works on my cars here. He came to check because I had trouble starting it. So he came checking it, and his recommendation is that we need to do some cup cleaning tomorrow. So the deal is to do it tomorrow at 10 o'clock Eastern time here in Canada. So guess what? That's the beauty of having good neighbors, and that's the beauty also of being a good neighbor to other people, right? Because you need each other, you know, all the time. So let's try out this one. She looks very old and ugly, but she does the trick. Okay. So this time around, I'll not fill up the tank to the max in case she doesn't respond well. Then yeah, okay. So let's try this one now. Didn't seem to be weird. Wow. So guys, as you see, I was trying to start this machine, but it couldn't because there's a bump here. So I have to hit this bump and straighten it and see if the propeller is going to turn around. So I have the hammer with me. So let's try to hit it so gently and see if it will give me what I desire, right? So let's try it. Okay. Okay. How does it look like that? Let's see if the propeller is going to take. Yes. Okay. There's some old stuff here from last season. Okay. So let's try it now. The bump has been straightened out, so let's see if the propeller is going to spin and if the thing is going to respond and give us the job. It looks like it'll work out, right? So as you can see, she has responded. So old is golden, right? So don't throw out hot stuff. Sometimes you need them when the new one fails on you, right? So the new one failed me, and we are going to work with the old machine. So let's get to work, guys, now, and yeah, let's enjoy it together and have fun. Right, and the time now is 17:53 Eastern. So yes,